welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, Amar. These are my boxes. Hi, Kirk. Welcome, welcome to the live. Alright guys, so this is the first item, and all of these guys are for my done to order section that I'm currently working on. I decided to purchase these. So first, it's the panini press. Only stew chicken gravy. Yeah. So, why is it small though? This is so much smaller than I thought it would have been. This actually doesn't make no sense, man. It's tiny. I guess it's one sandwich at a time. I'm gonna buy a bigger one. But alright guys, so hold on, I'm going to share a lunch. I'll be right back.
Yeah. Outside. Give me that now.
Only have raw veg.
Only raw veg. You want it? Yeah. Oh, it's like oh.
Where you trouble for?
Yeah, look on the something.
Eh? Left the man, you just go fool around, you look on the one and you don't know what you're doing, go show it.
She's coming right back.
Can you give her this?
Okay, I want single chicken all over. I want single chicken.
One serving of chicken.
Oh, thank you, Sister Benji. Sister Benji said we can make 2 to 3 at a time.
And that it's small, man. It don't look so. It look very small, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh. Is that serving of chicken only?
Yes.
So yeah, the panini press. It looks a little small, but at least it can fit in the space that I have over there. So
That's one more.
that's that.
6 more to go.
Wait a minute, extension. I don't see it around here. Look if it out. Over the other side.
See, extension here.
Plug it in so we can plug in the phone. Alright, so the next package. The next package that we're gonna be unboxing.
We have to see something up.
Hey, all right. So moving on to another package. And this
Something down there, Paul?
is Delicio. Oh, it almost broke. So they pull on the box.
Guys, we're struggling.
Struggle. So this is the other package.
Delicioso.
So let's see what we got in this. So it's a blender, and it comes with. So this is a small part, the processor part, right? Hold on to this. So that's the processor. This is the cover. I guess that's for the main part. So it does come with this. So you can make smoothies. Something I'm thinking of adding to the business. Hold on to this. Alright, so this is the big cup. Let's see what else. Oh, here's the cover. So just as I thought. So it comes with this cover. And you fit it in like that. She not work with me, you know. She know a different world. And it's plastic. I was afraid it would have been glass and it would have been easy to shut. I'm afraid of glass blender, may I tell them, and I like. But this seems to be fine when you're gonna be using, hold this. When you're gonna be using this, you just unscrew this and then you're able to just, yeah, use it that way. And you do your smoothie just like that.
Angela gone for.
She's at home resting.
Good.
Alright, so that's it. So it comes with these. Hi Nicholas. Odin, hi. Guys, go ahead and share and like the live. Alright, so this is the top part. Put that right over there. Alright, let's see what the bottom looks like. Oh wow.
That's a massive blender.
Alright, and this is like, guys, I don't know the things, because I got a mixer the other day from Temu, and I'm telling you, it's this is light. It look big and heavy. It light. like seriously, this is light. It light bad.
Does it use
But I'll do a
powder?
video guys showing you how it works. And if it works. Right? But it like watch it. And look where it look big. But anyways. Alright, so
Does
that's
it
the
use
blender.
powder? Oh, I'm just saying, does it use a powder?
And this blender, see, you're able to make milkshake, sand ice, so grains, coffee grinder. It has a coffee grinder. What is soybean milk, fruits on off. You're able to pulse and you're able to put it on variable, so I guess you can mix how you do whatever based on what you want, right? So I'm looking forward to using this. I'm gonna post a full video on everything. Well, I'm gonna post this back on my YouTube basically, and I will put under that like the links to everything that I bought, as well as some snapshots of it. Sorry about that. Alright, so that's the blender. So let us put this away. Alright, next we have welcome to the live, guys. Alright, I'm gonna remove. Alright, taking out the background noise. Alright guys, so this now guys, this is a chopping board like, and it comes with the place for you to put your vegetables. Is this the one with the grater? I'm not sure, I don't remember, but I know it was something that I so wanted to get. So I got it. And remember guys, these are all going into the business. That's why I bought them. It's an investment. So alright, so this now is a cutting board. It's really cute actually. I'm impressed with it. And it's not small, small and tiny. Yeah. Alright, so it comes with the drawers. So I think you put the grater here, right on the top. Did I do that? Alright, so oh wow, how silly of me, right? So all the drawers, they come with a grater attachment. And those goes there and it grates. So all your cheeses and stuff would be under here, and you have your cover for it to keep it fresh. I like that about this, I can tell you that. This one now, it also comes with a grater, but this seems to be the same. Like, this is two of the same thing, guys. Two of the same things. But each of them come with one, as I said. So one to that, one to that. You put it there. And you put it here. Let's see if this blue one is okay. So you get two of the big shredder. And you get one of these, the slicer. And then you get the smaller grater. And as I say, each of them come with a cover, which is this board that matches right back with this. See? Everything has a place. No.
What, my mama?
What's up?
I ask you what they and them say you see.
Me or my mother?
Are your mother? Oh.
My mother, man.
Okay, are you there this week? Are your brother the black youth?
Yeah.
Oh, come in and ask you what you say she see.
Oh, okay. No, the small colas are finished. Not till later before I stop up back. Alright, so this is the cutting board. Can't turn it front way because everything I got turned out. But this is the thing on top that you put the grater in. Let's see if we can show. Hold on there. I got T41. Move it. As me never shown it so good a while ago. So you plug it here, so like that. And then you would have grater your cheese or your carrots. Whatever you're gratering right here, you grate it and then it will go directly into the container under here. So I like this. I'm gonna let you guys know what the cost was for it. But I don't think anything that I bought was more than like $25, $30 something, $40 at most for each of the items that I bought. So let's put this back. Alright, I'm just do something stupid because that don't make no sense. It has to go down in it like this, and then I cover it like this. Alright, so that's it for that one. Guys, go ahead and share the live. Like up the live now, man. Oh God, man. Oh God, man. Like up the live. Like up the live, man. Alright, next thing that I got, which I don't even know if this makes sense to get. I think this is the mop broom set, something where them did have, but I kind of didn't like how it's set up. So this is a broom. The other parts of the broom. So one is a kind of a push broom or brush broom, like a scrubbing broom, and then this is like, I guess, a sweeping broom. Alright, these are all the parts that come with to set it up. Right? And then, oh man, I want to have this out. You don't know which part is a screw up for, baby. You don't know. You just draw here and come out in the hand. Alright. So, these are all the components, guys. We're not going to set up this right now because not even know which part this has come from in the first place. Okay. Okay again. As me say, I don't have a clue right now. So I'm not going to take on this. I just show you what it look like. Alright? I'm going to take this piece of the spring way come out and I'm going to push it back right here. So which part I think we dry it from. If I can't figure it out, my son will figure it out. Alright, so I got this. I think this is what was on sale at a very low price. I don't think it reached $20. Alright, so I get this and I'm going to have this over my done to order section that I'm setting up now. Remember, that's a new part that's about to open. It's going to open for April, guys. So stay tuned for that. So everything that I have here, so it's going to go over that section. So this wasn't just me going online to go buy and done me money. But this was investment. So me broke now, but how long me go broke for? You know what I say? Alright. So that is for over there. I only have 2 more packages left to open. 2 more left, right, Jaden? Say it? 2 more is left? Alright, come help me open this one. Oh, hold on. Let's see. Your back is in the light, huh? Alright, pull out this one now. Oh, it's upside down. It's upside down. Ooh. Alright, guys, so right. So this one, let's see. This is my little grill, my little stove top grill. Because I'm doing a lot of burgers and wraps. Alright, so this comes with a rack. Well, rack, guys, it comes with a rack. And it comes with the tray for the grilling. So my burgers, my hot dogs and stuff that I'm doing to order gonna be done on this. It also guys, let me just come this side. Alright, Jaden. That's supposed to be under here, right? No, leave it. It's supposed to come out too. Alright, make it stay for now. So it comes with these guys, so you can do like, say for example, I can offer a, what you'd call it now, like an omelette roll. So basically you do the omelette in this and then you're able to roll it. It goes under here. Right, it goes. Turn on the something. The angle's supposed to be out. I'm showing them how it's used. It comes with 3 of them, guys. You will put them underneath the grill like that, so you're able to broil. Right? So this goes under here, and then on the top, you'll place this. Right? So you can have things cooking under the grill, under the broiler, call it a broiler, grill, whatever. Then you're able to grill your stuff there. And if you are doing anything that you need to have circulation of your air to circulate around, then you're able to add your, somebody tell me why this now like set like what you said. This just now set like I don't know, this now make no sense how it set stills. But yeah. So this is basically what it is. So guys, go ahead and like and share. Hey Tay. Hey my baby girl. Welcome to the live. Guys, my big daughter is on the live. Bigger up. Alright. So this is what it comes with. Oh my gosh. Alright, so here's the controls. Oh, thanks for the roses, Tay. Alright, so here's the controls. So you guys will get a demonstration of all of these, because I'm gonna be opening over there. So I said for April. So I'm setting up. I want to do a video basically setting up and everything. So we'll see how that goes, right? Because I'm busy. Me's a very busy woman. Alright. So let's clear up here, and then we're going to the final package, which is the big one. Alright. So that's the panini. So we have a panini press. We have our griddle. We have our blender for our smoothies. That's all here. Is there anything else? We have the sweeper, which is not really necessary, and we have the chopping board. So we've gone through all of those packages already. So we're gonna go to the final one, and then we're gonna share the 2 food with them order, because them order 2 long box fried chicken. I'm gonna share them yet. I'm gonna want them come and them gonna get it on time. All right. Oh, thank you, Tay. Thank you. Alright, so the first thing, I pull the box yesterday and looking at when they come, because you know at Jamaica me there, they ship from far now to make sure say things them there. The first red flag you see, but I don't know if no more down in there, is that the packaging, guys. This alone me seeing there still. Like, I saw it come. Like on a serious note, I saw it come. What is with that? Stop from mash up. I don't understand. Well, I can use this to do some flour or something, but what really is this? But anyways, guys, as if you see good, you see good. This is my new fryer. Alright? So let us come, Jaden, come give me a hand here. Hold on to these. Let us take out the plate. So it comes with this pan. Alright. Oh my. It nearly dropped on it. Alright. Boy. No, sir. Alright. Woo! Look at this fryer there, yard. I think I paid like $30 for this. So let us set it up. Set it all on to those. So this is the pan that you put actually fry in. So this is gonna go. So if you not see good enough, looking at this. Alright. This is the actual fryer. This is where the heat come from. So this is the controls. So this is what the control panel looks like. It says a small commercial fryer, right? I have a double fryer around there, and I have, I think it's a Hamilton Beach double one. Is a broad one as well, but I have a commercial one to this, but it's a bigger one. What I want is a smaller one for the smaller space that I'm gonna be doing the done to order in. This now, it comes, this is the part that actually keeps your meat or whatever it is from actually burning on the element. So this is quite important, guys, right? So if you remove it to clean it, remember to put it back. And you basically just put it in. It comes with a little slit at the top. So this here goes into the slit. My other one isn't like this. It didn't have a slit. It just fit in, right? And then we have our basket. This only comes with one basket, but I have a number of baskets already that I'm able to use that came in my other fryers. I have smaller ones, I have bigger ones. So this is how you set up the fryer handle, guys. It comes like this. You just squeeze it. There we go. Come on, stop fight with me.
Good day, good day.
Good day. See? And you drop it in there. So these guys are the lid to put on the lid. So let's fry. Cover. And we frying, okay? We be frying. So looking forward to using these guys, and so looking forward to you guys joining me on my journey where I'm opening a space that is directly for done to order services. So you know, pastas is gonna be done to order. We're gonna have our wraps, and the wraps are famous, guys. They're really good. We're gonna have our wraps done to order, and these are gonna be available daily throughout the day. That's what I like about the station, because I do done to order from the restaurant side, but sometimes it can get so tedious along with the lunch rush and everything. So I decided to put a hi, Speedy. Hi, how are you? Alright, so I just decided that I'm going to put a space that is definitely for that. So once I'm going over there to start and to actually, because I have to paint that space, I'm gonna have to also remove some shelves that's already in that space so that I can put in some other stuff, as well as to do some decor and stuff that I want to have over there. So once I'm done with that, and I want to be done with that by the end of this month, so once I'm finished with that at the end of this month, then I'll be launching. Guys, stay tuned. We don't make food when not nice. We make nice, extra nice food, right? So I just want to thank you guys for joining me on the live today. I'm gonna go around there, so go share the people them food with them order. So I'll be back live again tonight, but tonight, you know, it's gonna be a prayer night. So see you live later.